Simple solutions to life.
Hello, welcome to our channel. Yes, if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Medlock and I'm saying a big welcome to you. In case you're new here, you're just passing by, please remember to subscribe to our channel. Just hit the subscribe button and remember to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Yes. I beg you, let me remove this thing from my hand, Jerry. I don't know, I'm not good with wearing rings. So guys, I want to show us how to use favor oil. Some of us have been buying favor oil from me, or you've been making your own favor oil, but you've not been getting the kind of results that you are supposed to get. Yes, so, but whether you know how to use the favor oil or not, if you buy the favor oil from me, it must work for you. Yes, so favor oil is this is favor oil because it used to settle. When it settles, you see this black color you're seeing, it will settle down. But when you shake it like this, it turns black. Okay, so I can call it magic oil, but it's very effective, and it contains anti-witchcraft, just like the favor soap. Favor soap contains anti-witchcraft. Favor oil contains anti-witchcraft. In fact, most of the things I send out, they contain anti-witchcraft. Okay, so but the father of them all is the favor oil and the favor soap. These are highly potent to protect, to bring you favor and all that. You understand? So now when you are facing some enviousness, when people are envious of you, you're facing some kind of spiritual attack. Do you know that some people just on their own, their hair will start falling off? Yes, because you're having, some people are jealous of you, some people hate you, some people dislike you just like that because of envy. And some people, their heart is desperately wicked. Yes, so that is why the Bible said the heart of man is desperately wicked. When they say the heart of men is desperately wicked, they are not only referring to men alone, they are referring to both men and women. Because I know some people, they will say, after all, me, I'm a woman, it's not me. When the Lord did not say women, she said men. The heart of women, the heart of human beings are desperately wicked. Who can know it? Therefore, these simple things, there are things that you can actually use to help your son. You understand? So now, this video is about how you can use favor oil to get maximum results. Yes. So now, here, you will be needing the favor oil. Yes. If you already have it, good. So, and then you also be needing your lotion. This one is one of my lotions. Yes, I use different creams. You cannot track me on a particular cream. I am trying out this now. So I think this was sent to me by one of our family members on this channel. Yes, so I'm test running this. Yeah, she's into organic, cream and all that. So let me see how it goes, okay? And if she pay me, then I can send her link to you guys if you need her services. Yes, now, nothing is for free. I'll not advertise anybody for free here. You pay me for it. So guys, see, I'll be right back. Yes, welcome back from that time out. Yes, so let me know my see, you will need lotion, okay? So, and then you need your favor oil. Something happened yesterday, and that is what necessitated this particular video, because some things, when I want to do some things, the one I can actually carry you guys along. I like to come here and show you so that you can try it and it will work for you. Okay, if you don't have my number, for those who don't have my personal direct line, this number on my screen is for placing orders. Like if you want to buy anything from us, okay, it is a WhatsApp only, not call. Just send WhatsApp to this number and you will get quick response. But if you send WhatsApp message or you're calling me on my personal direct line, it's not a guarantee that I will pick your call on time, because even as I'm talking to you right now, the phone is on silent. You understand? So I may not be able to pick all calls at times, but if you drop me a text or a message, I will see it, then I will respond. Okay, so, and you can also check out my WhatsApp status, because I always post testimonies on that status. Yes, on my WhatsApp status. That is my personal line. Okay, so I will let the line run on this video today so that you can see the number. You can save it in your WhatsApp. Okay, then you can check out our status from time to time for testimonies. Yes, but people who sent me their hospital results, you know, they were formerly positive, you know, to the virus, you know, to the deadly virus. They've been on retroviral and all that, and when they got our virus remover, they turned negative. You know, such people do send me their results and all that, but for ethical reason and privacy reason, I don't publish such information. I only give you how many people have turned negative. Okay, so it is between me and my clients. I don't go about saying, oh, so person, he gives so testimony, so person, so that all these people will start looking for the person. No, I don't do that. So guys, you can follow us up there on our status, my WhatsApp status, for testimonies. Yes, I upload testimonies there on regular basis, because some people, they will not come to the YouTube here and drop their testimonies. They send it to me direct on my line. So sometimes I forward them to my status. Okay, so guys, now get your lotion and then get your favor oil. So now with this favor oil, how do you do it? You just open your lotion, because I used to say add it to your cream or your lotion. This one is my lotion. Okay, I don't have cream. If you are using cream, you know, like that one in a cup, you can also use it, but this is what I have right now and I'm using, or this is what I want to show you. Yes, because if I take you to my bedroom, you will see range of different kinds of creams and lotions and all that, but this is the one I'm using right now, because this one is under test. Okay, look at my skin. All right, guys, let me see my skin. Okay, all right, so when you open it like this, what you need to do is you just open your favor oil. Favor oil is something that you will use. You have different advantage from using it. It is extremely good for your skin. Okay, this is what I use on my skin. Yes, but I add it to my lotion like this. This is the lotion. Then you just add the favor oil. Just add. But if you like, you can turn the whole of this one inside your lotion at once. Okay, so if you turn it after like this, then you shake it together. That is all. Whenever you want to use it, Whenever you want to use it, then you can use it. You know, it is very good for the season. And it is, even if you're not in a season, because some people are in a country where there's cold, there's snow and all that. So, but that doesn't matter. If everybody's skin needs oil, okay? Your skin needs oil, and this one is very, very good for your skin. And apart from that, it's for favor. Are you looking for husband? Are you looking for boyfriend? Are you looking for money? Are you looking for contract? Are you looking for customers in your business? You can use this, okay? You will get, things will open up for you. Yes. And if you don't use lotion, this is the favor oil. I just took from here to here, okay? So you can use favor oil like this on your hand, okay? Got it here? You can use it like this, direct on your skin. You can use it direct on your skin. This is my good luck bracelet. They are highly fortified, okay? You can also place order for it. They come in different pattern. We have another one here. We fortify them before packaging them, okay? So, but when you place order, we will send it to you like this in the packet. But we bring them out, fortify them. They go through a lot of process in fortification before packaging it. So this one has 2 heads of dragon, you understand? And then it has this round. And then this one is my own. I've personalized this one already. So, and then you wear it like this, you know. So this one is my own, okay? And but you don't sleep with it, and you don't bathe with it. Yes, you don't use it to toilet. That is all. So this one also, you can get this one and you can get this one. It depends. It's unisex. Anybody can wear it. Okay. And then we also have our blue eyes bracelet. They are highly fortified. In fact, because we are growing every day spiritually, we are growing every day. So I was telling one guy yesterday that if you place order, I used a whole day to go through all the lists. When my sister take all the orders from you, she will shortlist all your names. I always tell them, please, if you place order, send your name to my business line and your proof of payment. When they bring all this with what you ordered, I have to go through it to look at what you have ordered. Who are you? Does this solve your problem? This thing that you're requesting for, some people, a lady from South Africa ordered something and sent something else to her because we couldn't get her. And those things she ordered are not something that will help her spiritually. So when the order arrived, she was surprised. She called me. I said, yes, I was trying to get you, but I couldn't get you. I don't know whether it's because of time or whatever. I don't know, but I felt these are the things that I know you need spiritually. So I have to send them to you. But if you don't want them, I will pay for the shipping fee. You return them, then I'll send you your nyama nyama, whatever that you want, okay? But she also has spiritual mind, and she said, thank you, thank you, thank you. And this morning, she sent me tremendous testimonies that got me, you know, that is, I'm wearing this red cloth. So I am celebrating, happy. Yes. Yes, in fact, I don't want to let the cat out of the bag. My birthday is coming. Do I celebrate birthday? Yes, now. I'm celebrating birthday on a daily basis, but this one is different. My girlfriend is taking me out. I said it last time. Yes, we are going to off-flight. Yes, she's taking me out. So, on my birthday. So, guys, see you again in our next video. Bye.